You will burn in a fiery pit of damnation. I will feast upon your eternal soul. There's nothing... Your cries for mercy will fall on deaf ears. Now your existence is only pain.
Well, that's new.
Viking customer service, this is Jane speaking. How may I assist you
Hi,
today?
yes, Jane. I'm having trouble with my refrigerator. Model number 45HC.
Is that with the standard doors or French doors?
French?
What seems to be the problem?
Okay, yeah, so, it was running fine this morning, but now it seems like there's some sort of portal to hell inside.
Is there a demonic voice threatening to torture you for all of eternity?
You're only delaying the inevitable, you weak son of a...
Yeah, there is. And not for nothing, it's also not keeping anything cool. I burned my fingers reaching in to grab a cold brew.
I'm so sorry to hear that, sir. Let me see if I can help you with that. It appears your refrigerator has been possessed by satanic forces.
Satanic forces!
Yeah, it's unusual, but it's a known issue with that model.
I would have loved to have known about that. Before I bought it, I would have gotten a Sub-Zero or an LG.
Well, it's marked clearly in the warning documentation.
Is it? Well, would you look at that? All right. What do I do now?
Happy to help with that. First, have you tried disconnecting it from the power?
Hold on.
You didn't actually think that would work, did you? You worthless...
Didn't work, Jane.
Okay. In that case, we're gonna have to exercise your fridge.
Are you sure you just can't send someone out?
Oh, absolutely. But, we don't have any available appointments for at least 3 weeks.
Damn, that's not gonna work for me. I'm hosting game night, and if I cancel my friends, they just won't let me live it down. Okay, how do I exercise it?
Do you have any holy water?
No.
How about a cross?
I'm Jewish, so maybe a Star of David? Would that work?
I'm not sure. All of my documentation seems geared towards non-denominational Christianity. What is important is that you face the demon head on. Open that fridge, jump in, and you banish him from your kitchen.
That's it.
Yes, sir. I'll stay on the line.
Okay. And you're sure this is safe?
So legally, I'm not allowed to say that, but I think you'll be fine.
Okay.
The time of reckoning has begun! At last you've come to face me. Prepare to die.
Oh my god, it really is hell! It's even worse than I could imagine!
Broodlings attack this peasant.
Hey, get off me! Oh my god, they smell!
Damnation and putrid stenches go together like peas and carrots.
Stop! No! Remember what Jane said! I'm here to banish you from my kitchen! Leave now!
No!
Yes!
I don't wanna!
Be gone, spawn of Satan!
Ow! Wait! Stop! That feels weird!
Sir? Sir, are you still there?
My god! I did it! That was terrifying!
Well done, sir. Is there anything else I can help you with?
No, Jane, thank you. I think you've been a pretty great help for me today.
Oh, thank you. Now, after we disconnect, you will receive a brief survey call asking how your experience was with our customer service. I'd like to ask you to give us a 10 rating, which is the highest. Would you do that?
Sure.
Viking Appliances. Rated 10 out of 10 customer service since 2008.
Thanks, Viking.